What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the Ghost Zone. So today I have a very special video for you. It involves my mother, my nephew Bryce, and my niece Knowledge. And today we are making candy! To be exact, we are making peppermint Oreo bark. Enjoy! Alright, so let's get into this. The ingredients you will need will be Oreos, peppermints, almond bark, and peppermint extract. Alright, so what you want to do is separate all of your peppermints or candy canes out into a small bag. We're going to crush those up later. Take your Oreos and break them up into a big bowl. Make sure you break them up into fours, that way they'll mix up easier. So now it's time to break up your peppermints or candy canes. So we used a hammer, that way we would break them up into fine chunks. In hindsight, I would say use candy canes because they actually break up a lot easier than peppermints. Once again, you're looking for fine chunks, not a powder. Alright everybody, it's melting time. Add the almond bark in a non-stick pan. You can use a double boiler, but we chose not to. We used 2 packs of the almond bark and eyeballed around 4 tablespoons of peppermint extract. Be sure to taste it to make sure that you have enough of that peppermint flavor. Let that melt over a low heat and stir often so that it doesn't burn. Once your chocolate is melted, add it into your peppermint and Oreo mixture. Ooh, look at that drizzle. Alright, let's mix it all up and make sure it's all covered. Alright, get you a large flat surface and line it with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Once you've done that, go ahead and pour out all of your mixture. Alright, so unless you want chocolate fingers, go ahead and put on some gloves. Once you've done that, press the mixture down with your fingers, spreading it out as thin as you want it. We chose to go a little bit thicker, that way you would have a little bit more of a snap. For some reason, I find this part very therapeutic. Patting it like this will help form peaks and ridges on top. This will help to even out your peppermint bark as it starts to dry and harden. Alright, it's time to break it up. We chose to cut it rather than break it up, that way we'd have more uniform pieces. But it's up to you. Oh, that snap. Or you can get your own little assembly line going. Just cut, pass, and place. So if you want my opinion on this candy, I rate it a 10 out of 10. It was so good and delicious. And the kids absolutely loved it. So it wouldn't be fair for me to tell you how much I enjoyed the candy because let's face it, I am a little bit biased. So I got 2 friends to do a review on it. Check it out. They're so good.
So good. What's that crunch?
Oreo peppermint.
Oreo.
It's Oreo Peppermint Bark.
Okay, I need my dentist. Man,
It ain't that hard.
I get on that real. Man.
It ain't that hard. We've been eating it.
Y'all just gave me diabetes that quick.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how did Bryce's knowledge do?
Is that back there?
Hey, you didn't bake it. We just put it all together and baked it.
It's good. It's good. It's good. 1 to 10.
On a scale of 1 to 10 is good. On a scale of 1 to 10 was from 1 to 10.
We can't count.
I said, oh, it's good. On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10.
10.
Yeah, give it a 10.
Okay, so this was my favorite part of the video, just watching the kids sit around and enjoy the chocolate. They were actually running off with the spoons and utensils. They even grabbed the pot at one point. So you might want to watch out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and go down to the comment section and tell me how much you enjoyed it. I would love to hear your experiences making this candy. To help the channel, please click that subscribe button, ring the bell notification, and also share this video. Until the next time, Ghost out.